1:04 a.m. this morning, a cargo aircraft, flight UAE 9788, departing from Dubai to Hong Kong, went off from the rough runway. Upon landing, and crashed through the fencing and into the sea. Unfortunately, an airport security patrol car was there at that time. The aircraft collided with the patrol car and pushed the car into the sea.